Ever wished your earbuds were as stylish, comfortable, and smart as your lifestyle? Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you the new PopClip earbuds from SoundPEATS. These are not your regular earbuds, they have got this unique open ear clip design I have never seen before. And they are insanely comfy. First of all, a big thanks to SoundPEATS for sending me this review unit. I have got the white one and it comes in this small cute box. Nice packaging overall. The package shows some of the key specs which I will go through later in this video. You will also find the recommended charging wattage listed between 2 watts and 5 watts. Inside the box we get the earbuds, regular paperwork, a bunch of stickers and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Pretty decent setup. If you are someone who wants to enjoy the music and stay aware of your surroundings, this is the one for you. Plus, it's healthier for your ears since it doesn't go deep into your ear canal or push sound directly inside. Wearing this is honestly a funny and new experience. As the name suggests, it's a clip-on type earbud. Definitely a head turner, and like I said, super lightweight. I barely felt like I was wearing anything at all. Each earbud weighs just 4.73 grams. That's actually lighter than a single sheet of paper. Whether you wear glasses or just hate the pressure in your ears, these are so easy to wear all day. It also has a self-adaptive left-right audio channel feature in the case, so you don't have to worry about which earbud goes where. Just drop them in. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.4, runs on the BT8932D chipset and supports both AAC and SSB codecs. You get 8 hours on a single charge, 30 hours total with the case, and a 15 minutes quick charge gives you another 3 hours. That's pretty insane. I took this on my morning run and they didn't budge. The open ear cell let me stay aware of my surroundings, which is super important when you are out and about. And even with all that movement, sweat wasn't a problem. I paired them to both my phone and laptop with zero lag. The dual device pairing is a total game changer. No more messing around with the Bluetooth settings. The dynamic EQ boosts the bass for workouts, but if you want longer battery life, you can turn it off in the PEATS audio app. The app also has a cool Find My Earbuds feature that shows the last location on a map, and also you can trigger a beeping alert to help find them. That works within 50 meters as long as they are outside the charging case and connected. It even comes with an open space sound effect that gives you that surround sound feel like kind of being in a theater. The actual physical buttons makes it super easy to control music, calls and volume. No accidental tabs, no weird gestures, just press and go. Inside, it got a 10.8mm dual magnetic driver and the audio output is actually impressive. Even though it doesn't sit inside your ear canal, it's still loud and crisp, letting you enjoy your music and stay aware of your surroundings. Like I said before, I am happy with the sound. I have been using it for 2 weeks now. I do wish it had a bit more bass in the normal mode, but hey, it's still pretty good. And the mic quality, surprisingly, it's clear. Whether you are on a call or recording voice memos, the PopClip keeps things crisp. But I wish they had improved a bit on the noise cancellation, but it's okay. Alright, this video is being recorded with my phone, but the audio is from the PopClip because I used it as the external microphone, so you will get an idea about how the noise cancellation is working on this one. Yeah, this is not a busy day, so you get an idea how my voice is being separated from this noise. Alright, if you are someone who wants style, comfort and solid sound, whether you are at the gym, working on the go or just chilling, the PopClip is definitely worth checking out. I'll drop the link below where you can grab it. Let me know what you think in the comments, or if you got any questions. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.